don't forget to clean up after yourself. Hi, Brian the cab driver here. When we were kids, we learned that if you make a mess, you clean it up. As adults, we still do the same thing, and we try to instill that good habit into our own children and grandchildren. So why is it when it comes to that Cannon Street site, that old Instar plant, the old Sprague site there, why is it that somebody else has to clean up the mess? In fact, what are we told? We are told that a casino would be good in that spot. In fact, if we don't have the casino, nobody else is going to clean up that mess. $50 million KG Urban is allocating to clean up that mess. They'll tell you we're the only ones that are going to come in here and clean it up. Pastor David Lima, he said, casinos, they've got the deep pockets to do it, or government, because they will keep on borrowing money. I was taking that as the gospel. And then I started to think just a little bit. Well, wait a minute. As kids, we were told to clean up after ourselves. So why is it that the folks, the companies that made some handsome money and profits from that very site aren't being told to clean up after themselves? Why is it that the EPA, the Attorney General's office, some type of litigating authority hasn't come down on those companies to clean up the mess that they made? By the way, not only did they make a mess worth about a $50 million brownfield, but they still walked off with some good profits. How is it that they are not responsible for cleaning up after themselves? Why aren't you, especially those that don't want a casino down on the waterfront, why aren't you going after Sprague and saying, hey, look, you need to clean up after yourselves? By the way, a cleaned up waterfront, what does that do for the city and for the population of New Bedford? It gives you alternatives of what to do at that very site. I'm Brian the cab driver. You can certainly comment by writing something to me. You can also comment on the radio. We'll be talking about this on Brian's Beat Thursday from 10 to noon on the new 1420 WBSM and streaming online through the Radio Pup app and at WBSM.com.